If you're looking for an easy and simple alternative to traditional bread made with white flour, flat oats bread might be just what you need. Start by bringing 1 cup of oats and grinding it well until it turns into a fine powder. Next, pour 1 cup of water into a pot and add the ground oats. If desired, add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Mix all the ingredients together thoroughly. Allow the mixture to rest for about 10 minutes, during which time it will transform into a fluffy mixture. Heat up a pan over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, place a portion of the oat mixture in it. Cook the mixture for 3 minutes on each side until it puffs up and turns golden brown. Enjoy the taste of this delicious flat oats bread. Suitable for individuals with diabetes and beneficial for overall health, this bread is a great addition to a healthy diet. Start your healthy journey today and join us for more alternatives to traditional foods.